The language control statements continue explained with example and flowchart. Continue statement. The continue statement skips the remaining part of the current loop iteration and jumps to the next iteration. It's helpful when you want to ignore specific cases but keep looping. Continue used inside loops and it immediately jumps to the loop condition, skipping the rest of the loop body. Flowchart. The loop begins by initializing its control variable. Next, the loop condition is checked to determine whether the loop should continue. If the condition is false, the program exits the loop immediately. If the condition is true, the program then evaluates whether the continue condition inside the loop is met. If it is, the continue statement is executed, which except which is keep the remaining code in the current iteration and immediately jumps back to the loop condition check. If the continue condition is not met, the rest of the loop body executes as usual. After completing the loop body, the control goes back to the beginning of the loop to reevaluate the loop condition and the cycle repeat. Continue. Avoid these mistakes. Common mistakes in continue case. Not updating loop variables before continue may result in infinite loops. Using continue outside of loops lead to compile time error. Excessive use can lead to complex and unreadable code. Here is comparison between break and continue. Break completely stops the loop, skipping all future iterations. In contrast, continue skip only the current iteration and the loop proceeds to the next one, eventually allowing the loop body to execute again, just not in this specific run. They do the opposite. They do the opposite. Break kills the loop, continue skips one step and keeps going. Exercise with Eclipse IDE using the continue statement. In this section, we use the continue statement to skip printing certain values. We write a for loop that prints. We write a for loop that prints numbers from 0 to 100, except for numbers between 20 and 50. For these numbers, the program prints it instead. Inside the loop, we check if I is greater than or equal to 20 and less than or equal to 50. If true, we print X and use continue to skip the rest of the loop. Otherwise, we print the value of I. When running the code step by step for I equal 19, the condition is false, so 19 is printed. When running the code step by step for I equal 19, the condition is false, so 19 is printed. For I equal 20 to I equal 50, the condition is true, so X is printed and I is not printed. For I equal 51 and onwards, normal printing resumes. In the variable window, you can see the I updating on each iteration, helping visualize the loop's behavior. You can see the number on the screen. Our upcoming video will cover the goto statement in C. Important topic in C programming. You can find many more related videos in the playlist linked at the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to receive notifications and stay updated whenever we release new content. Thank you for your watching.